The EOS M50 also has the ability to capture amazing video. Switch your camera to video mode to unlock the M50's video capabilities. Now you can document all your favorite moments, from HD all the way up to 4K. When getting started, set your M50 to the full auto green zone. Compose your shot, focus, and the camera will select the exposure settings for you. When shooting in the auto mode, recording formats and features are limited. First, choose your recording size. A common starting point is Full HD at 29.97 frames per second. Now it's time to set your focus. Just tap on the LCD screen to choose your subject. Moving subjects can be tricky. Turn on Movie Servo AF for continuous focus on your subjects and to track them as they move. Once you get comfortable in auto, turn the mode dial to video mode to unlock higher quality and more features. 4K video recording has enriched detail with 4 times the resolution of HD video. These are larger file sizes, so you'll need to use a memory card that can handle recording 4K footage. You don't have to choose between video and photo modes when shooting 4K video. You can create an 8-megapixel still photo using 4K frame grab with controls in the M50's menu. Want to capture in slow motion? Set your camera's frame rate to 60 frames per second, or even slower at 120 frames per second. Don't have time to adjust camera settings? Enable Movie Auto Exposure, and the camera will set the exposure to the environment and adjust as the light changes around you. Or if you're in controlled lighting conditions, Movie Manual Exposure lets you lock in shutter speed, lens aperture, and ISO sensitivity. So far, you've learned that Movie Servo AF handles moving subjects. But the autofocus options don't stop there. Having trouble seeing if your subject is in focus? Turn on Manual Focus Peaking. Control the size of your active focus area with the AF method. Use up to all the 99 plus points and let the camera detect faces or even track them if they move. Or use a smaller autofocus area and move it where you want. Tap the touchscreen or touch and drag when looking through the viewfinder. The compact size of the EOS M50 makes it easy to record video on the move, but this means potentially shaky footage. Turn on Image Stabilization and let the camera smooth out your shots. Looking for a new way to tell your story? Have fun and get creative with time-lapse videos. The camera shoots many frames based on your settings and produces a finished movie in camera. The video features of the Canon EOS M50 allow you to tell meaningful stories of your cherished memories.